You surprised the Attorney General dismissed the ClassWallet lawsuit?
I really was. There's 5,500 vendors in the state of Oklahoma that we pay, and we're going to hold all of them accountable. As long as I'm governor, I want to hold these vendors accountable. And so our teams, we're looking at our options there. But this is a straight contract law case. And back in my auditing class at Oklahoma State, you follow the money. And when the state has a contract with this vendor, and it's a contract case, and we want to hold that vendor accountable. And so it's really a head scratcher why the Attorney General doesn't want to hold that vendor accountable and wants to dismiss these cases.
Didn't he tell you in the letter that was what he was going to do if you did that, though?
If I did what?
If you thought again, he said, I'll intervene and dismiss it. He told you that in the letter before you don't file.
He may have. He's in more communication with my general counsel that's working on those things. But that's the thing that you really can't, like, for example, if we offered the very first time for the Attorney General to sue this vendor, and the Attorney General declined coverage, then came out publicly and said he doesn't want to do it, and doesn't like the case and blah, blah, blah. Well, if I'm the client, if I represent the state of Oklahoma, and then I file a lawsuit against a vendor to hold them accountable, then I can't have an attorney come in and force his way in, take over a case, and then dismiss it. So this will be figured out who has the right to defend the state of Oklahoma. We obviously have refiled that, and our team, Trevor Pemberton, does an amazing job. So I don't know exactly what the communication is between him and the Attorney General's office. But again, I'm sure he has his reasons, but the point is the state wired money to a vendor to administer a program. It's a straight contract law case. This happens all the time in business. They're going to say they did everything right. We know that they didn't, so that's why you litigate it.
Are you going to ask the Supreme Court to get involved or something like that?
We'll keep you updated on that. I know Trevor's looking at his options on that and who has the right. The Attorney General's dismissed this case twice on trying to hold this vendor accountable. It's a head scratcher. If a vendor took money from the state and is supposed to administer a program and they administered it incorrectly according to our internal audit, then we're going to hold them accountable. As long as I'm governor, I don't know how much clearer I can be. I think every Oklahoman would expect me to do that, and we're going to do that. I mean, we're going to protect and we're going to be transparent with the taxpayer dollars. And if somebody messes up, you follow the money and you hold that vendor accountable.